Rusty versus the Dino Invasion.
Oh, almost done? That tickles.
All done. We've made something really great. And when we need it, all I have to do is press this red button.
But first, Bronny needs to charge with lava overnight. It'll take a mega charge to power up his new awesome mode.
Then my lab will be even more fab.
Before you start charging, could you give us a ride back to Sparkton Hills?
Sure.
Tell us more about this Sparkton Hills place.
It's a really cool city with buildings and mountains. It's basically the greatest place in the world. You should visit one day.
That'd be so cool.
Amazing.
Okay, Bronny, we'd better get going. Bye, guys!
Bye, Rusty and Ruby!
Finally! I thought they'd never leave. Everyone at school will be blown away when I bring you for show and tell tomorrow. All of Sparkton Hills will be blown away.
What is this Sparkton Hills they speak of? And if it's so great, then why isn't it mine? Maybe it could be, with a little help from my loyal subjects. No dinosaur can resist the conga line. This way! Frankie thinks one measly little raptor's impressive, but wait until they see what I've got in store. Once the humans of Sparkton Hills see me with all of these dinosaurs, they will recognize me as their one true king. And this is how I play my key-guitar, my funsy-onesie, kinda clumsy K-guitar!
That was wonderful, Liam. Thank you so much for your show and sing. You can go back to your own class now.
Liam sure loves to sing.
He really does.
Hands now!
Thanks again, everyone.
Hands now! I give you my very own dinosaur! Another dinosaur?
That can't be what I think it is.
Wait! Stop!
It's headed for downtown. And uh-oh, it looks like he brought friends.
What's happening? Hey, come back! Halt!
One tutti frutti.
Whoa! I can't believe you guys brought raptors back from Dino Island.
We didn't bring them, Frankie.
Really? Then who did?
Greetings, Spartonians!
Oh, that's who.
It is I, Frankosaurus, your new king!
We have to get downtown and stop Frankosaurus and the raptors before they do too much damage. Botasaur, we need you. Ready to herd some raptors?
Okay, well, good luck, guys.
You're welcome to help too, Frankie.
Really? Well, I did kind of build Frankosaurus, so I guess I could help clean up his mess.
Hey, Rusty and Ruby! You wouldn't happen to have something big enough to hold a dinosaur, would you?
A triceratops? No way!
Liam and I are on our way.
Yes!
I'll deal with Ranger Anna's Tricera friend. You and Frankie head downtown.
On it.
Hey! Stop it! Gotcha!
Hey, stop! That's my ice cream!
Great Caesar salad!
Looks like my subjects are ready to celebrate their new cake. Huh? Hey, who invited them to my party?
You're making me look bad, Frankosaurus! Go home!
No, you go home!
No, you!
No, you!
No, you!
No, you!
Come on, Botasaur. It's Raptor Roundup time.
No, you!
No, you!
No, you!
No, you! No, you!
Batter up.
Perfect! Thanks, Rusty and Botasaur!
No problem.
Hi, Ruby. Hi, Liam. He's causing a bit of a ruckus.
He just wants to play. Everyone knows Triceratops love to play.
Heel, T-Tops! That's his name. I picked up a little dino along the way.
I've always wanted a dino friend. T-Tops and Liam until the end. It's T-Tops, T-Tops and Liam forever.
Liam loves to sing, and T-Tops loves to dance. I've got an idea.
1 Tutti Frutti!
Thanks, Frankie. You're my hero.
Huh, saving the day is actually kind of fun. Who knew?
Great job, Frankie. But we're not done yet. We still need to get Officer Carl's whistle back. Botasaur?
Hey, come back!
Got it.
Thanks, Frankie. Ew, dino slobber. Even worse than monkey slobber.
There, that should do it. Okay, Liam, it's time to commence Operation Dancing Dino.
All right! Whoa, this is awesome! Let's do the dino dance, the dino dance, the dino dance. It's a small sachet, then a big old prance. The dino dance, the dino dance. Drat! They got all my dinosaurs! Well, not all of them. Time for Plan B.
Whew! We got all the dinos rounded up.
Oops, looks like we missed one.
You missed more than one! Way more!
Whoa! It's a full-scale dino invasion.
So not cool, Frankosaurus!
I told you I'd be king of Sparkton Hills! And now that dinosaurs are everywhere, everyone will bow down before me!
How are we gonna save Sparkton Hills?
The best way to stop dinosaurs is with robo dinosaurs. Is Bronny charged?
Our new super build is ready for action.
It's red button time.
All right. Welcome to Dino Air, Flight 001 to Sparkton Hills. Please make sure your seatbelts are correctly fastened.
Nothing can stop my reign as king of Sparkton Hills now! Ooh, except maybe that.
Yes!
It's a robo bird!
It's a robo plane!
It's the Dino Air Transporter 1 million.
Whoa, that's awesome! I mean, I could have made that.
Call me if you need me.
This place is amazing!
cool.
I can't believe we're here!
Let me at it.
Welcome to Sparkton Hills.
How can we help?
Dinosaurs are everywhere and they're causing tons of trouble.
I might be able to help with that one. I speak a little Tricera.
And I'm a playground expert. Let's go!
Everyone out of the way!
Look out!
A baby raptor?
That one's on me. I brought him for show and tell. My bad.
I need to stop him, which means you need to stop Frankosaurus.
I guess I can do that. Even though I am a little afraid of...
Time to bring it!
Come on, Rusty. There's a joyriding raptor that needs to be stopped. We'll take care of the others.
Sounds like a plan. Let's do this.
The teeter-totter's stuck on its horns. We need to help it. No problem. Pew, pew! I shouldn't pull my cables back until she calms down. I don't want her to get hurt.
On it. My Tricera's a little rusty.
I have an idea. T-Tops loves my singing. Maybe this dino will too. Let's do the dino dance, the dino dance, the dino dance. It's a small sachet, then a big old prance, the dino dance, the dino dance. Sensational, Liam. He loves it. Hang on. We'll get you down. Spike, it's construction time.
Get the job done!
Okay, come on down.
Phew. Thank you.
All in a day's work.
Faster, pterodactyl, faster!
Dak, it's time to dethrone the king.
Always ready to lend a wing.
Looks like Plan B isn't gonna work.
I won't let you get away with this, Frankosaurus.
Time for Plan T.
Stop! Stop! Uh-oh!
Don't worry, Rusty. We've got this.
I'll take it from here, little guy.
away.
Great job, everyone. Now we just have to get them all back to...
If I didn't know any better, I'd think that was a...
T-Rex!
Awesome! Behold, the king of Sparkton Hills and the king of the dinosaurs!
This is not good.
Okay, T-Rex, it's smash time! Oh no!
We need to stop that T-Rex.
And Frankosaurus. Now before your king, loyal Sparktonian subjects! Take the dinosaurs back to the island, Frankosaurus! How are you gonna make me?
Let's do the dino dance, the dino dance.
What?
The dino dance. It's a small sachet, then a big old prance. The dino dance.
Ah!
The dino dance.
Ah! Make it stop! Make it stop!
That's it. All the dinosaurs like Liam singing. They'll follow him anywhere.
But the dinos are starting to spread out. How can we get Liam to all these places?
A Liam Botasaur duet. That could work. Let's combine it.
And dino designing.
We'll start with Botasaur.
Then we'll add huge all-terrain tires so Botasaur can take Liam everywhere he needs to go.
And finally, a platform that Liam can ride and sing on. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Time to go mobile. Modified,
Customized.
Rustify. The Mega Bottom Monster Truck.
Let's do the dino dance, the dino dance. The dino dance. It's a small sachet, then a big old prance. The dino dance. The dino dance. Dino dance, the dino dance. It's a small sachet, then a big old prance. The dino dance. The dino dance. It's a small sachet, then a big old prance. Let's do the dino dance, the dino dance. It's a small sachet, then a big old prance. The dino dance.
This was so not part of my plan. Time to board my ship and get out of here. time we get these dinos back to their island home.
And I know just how to do it.
Red button time!
Here comes the Bronto on the Bronto!
Dino Island, here we come!
Home sweet home.
Goodbye, Sparkton Hills. Hope to see you again soon.
Passengers, please take your seats and prepare for takeoff.
Why don't you do the honors, Ruby?
Hold on, everyone. It's time to bolt.
You know, Ruby, we make some pretty awesome stuff.
And the best thing we make is a great team.